welcome to my channel. I'm Ozge and today I will be showing you guys how to customize your iPad or iPhone. Let's jump right into the video. The most important thing is that you should upgrade your device to iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. After doing that step, if you want to do cool customizations that you can see online, in order to do those, you should go into the App Store and look for Widgetsmith. When you look for Widgetsmith, you can see that there are some other applications that look similar to Widgetsmith, like color widgets, photo widget, widgets, mask note, custom widgets and stuff. I decided to use Widgetsmith because I like this one better. Now we open it and we saw this page. There's widgets page, tools page, and settings. In tools, that you can give access to use your calendar, and you can customize it in the Widgetsmith in real time, reminders and such. That health, astronomy, you can customize it however you want. And now into the widget stuff, you can add small widget, medium widget, add large widget. Let's say that we are adding small widget. You should tap right into this, and after that there are some styles like
date, month and date, month, date, week number, month, photos and album, photo day, custom text stuff, diary, icon, upcoming events.
These are the ones that are locked. I think you should pay to use those. Like there's some kind of subscription and thing in Widgetsmith. And there are some other stuff, like you can add like a moon face, or you can add like custom text over here, or you can add like photo. And let's try this one. I'm gonna choose photo. I'm gonna add some photos from my album. Let's say I'm adding this one, and I can change the color of the text. I can align it to top, center. Let's make it center. I check the style and stuff. Yeah, that's basically it. And this is our first widget, and now we're saving it. We can add another one, like you just click here. After that you click here. As you can see, there are lots of things that you can do. It's totally up to you how you wanna set your device, how you wanna customize it. Like there are really cool features in there here, but these pastel ones look amazing. Border color, system setting. I'm not adding another one. I'm canceling this one, deleting that. Let's add a medium widget. And now we're clicking this one. As you can see, there are lots of styles over here. You can, like, let's do this one, like full moon and stuff. You can change the font. This looks cool, I guess. And now we're saving it. We can add another one. I'm gonna change. We can do like a text over here. Let's write, setting that out. Let's say, look, there's this thing. I'm cutting that off. Play with some font. Now it's done, and we can add a large widget now. As you can, let's add our reminders, lists, filters, all reminders, font, background color. Let's make it pastel blue. It looks really nice. I don't want any border color. As you can see here, you can do many things. You can do whatever you want to do. There's a wide variety of widgets that you can do over here. It's totally up to you how you want to style it, how you want to customize it. And after playing with Widgetsmith, now we came to our main page of our iPad, as you can see right now. And now I will customize it. I press over here, and there are some stuff that I have before. Now you can click this one, you can do this one and add the plus sign. Now you can press the Widgetsmith, and you know you have your widgets, and now you press this one. Yeah, we have this. Now it will change, and you can have other widgets. You can add this one. We did this one. We can add this, and we can add our other widget that we did earlier. We can add medium 2, which is this one. It looks really nice, right? And we can add the last one. Now yeah, these were the widgets that we did together, this one too. And when you click it, Widgetsmith opens. Anyways, it's basically like that, and you can customize it, play with it a little more. You can add other stuff too. Other than that, this is how it looks in the end. You can add other stuff too. You can play with it a little more, and that's basically it. I have another thing to show you, and let's get into it. We will use the shortcuts app that comes with your iPad, iPhone, it doesn't matter. All the devices have it unless you deleted it. Now we will get into the shortcuts. I tried some stuff for this video, and yeah, now we are adding another one. We will write, like, open my apps or something like that. I'm sorry that my iPad is in Turkish, but it's pretty much the same in English. Press on this one. We will choose an app from here. As you can see, I'm gonna go with App Store. Name will be App Store. You just press this, and you can choose a file, choose a picture, or you can the other option. I'm gonna go to the albums and choose this one. You can play with it how you wanna adjust it. I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna use it. We have an app store that looks like this right now, and when I click it, it will go to the shortcuts and after App Store. For productivity, I don't think this is effective because it goes to shortcuts and now to the App Store. It slows the process a little bit. You can do really cool stuff with it, like, let's do another one. You can type like open the app or something like that, and it will pop in here. Now we just iTunes Store. Now you just click here, it's new. Now, there are some colors, objects, symbols. If you don't want to put a picture, you can also use that one. And now we came here, iTunes Store. Now I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, we have the App Store we did earlier, and we have the iTunes Store, and that's basically it. But productivity wise, I don't think that this is really effective. It slows the process a little bit, as you can see, App Store, shortcut of App Store right here, and we also have the App Store right here, and we have the iTunes Store here and here. And if you want it to look better, you have to like them in a folder or delete them. It's totally up to you. One of the things that changed with the new iPad OS 14 is, like I said, notes, and it recognized my writing, and now it's straightly, I don't have to type anything. I can write some stuff with my Apple Pencil. I think this is a really cool feature, but sometimes it doesn't recognize my writing, and that's when it gets a little complicated. And let's say that it doesn't recognize your writing, you can press this keyboard kind of thing over here, and you can delete it, and write something else. I'm using my iPad for educational purposes, as I mentioned in my previous video, and with this new shortcuts and stuff, it's kind of slow things for me, and I don't think it's practical. But if you are using your iPad for other purposes, and if you like it's cool, you can definitely use it. But I really like the Widgetsmith app and what you can do with it. There are really cool features that you can use as widgets. I will definitely be using those. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will be seeing you guys on my other videos. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.